Yo, what's up, Serb? This is Cisco, and I just wanted to make this little video for you. So this is an American lock, model 1100. It looks exactly the same as this. And it's a pretty nice lock. It's probably about 20 bucks on Amazon or something, but it's really good, way better than any master lock out there. I recommend it. It's fun to pick. It's very difficult to pick if you're just starting out, but I wanted to show you this is kind of how it works when you're picking, if you have it in a vise. I like to use a vise for all my locks, but so the tension that I'm going to use is this tension bar from Sparrows. I forget the size, but it's the biggest one they have. It's the best one, I think. Usually it comes straight like this or flat or whatever, but I just like this a little bit more because it feels better in the hand. And there's two lengths of this side here, and that's because there's a recess here, and if you were to use the shorter side, it would hit this part right here. So you use the longer side. Sorry, I'm trying to do this through the camera, so it's a little difficult, but so you put your tension wrench in like that, and make sure the little notch is on there. And I'm just applying the slightest amount of tension. Let me grab a pick. So this is called top of the keyway tension, or talk. And you basically just gonna go in. So I'm putting a little bit of tension on my finger here, and you just go in with the pick like this. And you kind of start feeling around for some of the pins that are binding or they feel stuck. And if they feel stuck, you moderate the tension and push up on the pick. I probably won't get this lock open because I haven't done it in a long time, and I injured my hand recently, so I'm actually not even going to try to pick it for you. But that's basically how it works. So you're putting tension here and picking here. So really, this is not getting in the way at all. So this is the Sparrows heavy bar, I think it's called. This one, it was special made for me by my friend in Sweden, and it has this little twist in the end so that it can fit into a lot of different keyways. Keyway meaning this part here. This is the keyway. And this fits in there. And see, now I would apply tension like this. And pick this way. If I was going to use bottom of the keyway tension, which I don't do because I just am not very good at it, or I don't like it, or the lock doesn't call for it, or you can't get into the if you can't get into the top of the keyway, then you have to use bottom of the keyway. So your tensioner will look something like this, and you would stick it in the bottom. See, that one doesn't fit. So that's why you have so many different tensioners, because all locks are different, so you need a lot of different sizes. All right, so this one kind of fits. So then I would put tension like this and try to turn the core like this and put my pick in here and pick like that. I hope this helps.